This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. All insights are based on psychological principles and social dynamics, presented to enhance your understanding of attraction and influence. Close your eyes. Picture a presence that pulls you in, magnetic, irresistible, leaving you craving more. That's not luck. That's a craft. For the next 6 minutes, I'll draw you into the shadows of how some people become addictive to be around. Stay with me. Let each word weave its spell. To become the man who doesn't chase connection, but becomes the connection. Let's set the scene. Most men stumble through social circles, begging for attention, desperate to be liked. They push, they plead, they fade. But the rare ones, the ones you can't forget, they pull without effort. Psychologists call this magnetic allure a blend of psychology and instinct, honed by those who master the unseen. These aren't tricks of charm. They're weapons of attraction used to bind others without a word. You're about to step into that power. The power to be the one they can't walk away from. First, let's explore the aura of mystery. Imagine a figure shrouded in silence, revealing just enough to intrigue. Studies on human curiosity, like those from the 1990s, show we're drawn to what we can't fully grasp. Picture this. In a conversation, you don't spill everything. You hint. "I've seen things you wouldn't believe," you say, then pause. Their mind races, filling the gaps. That's the aura of mystery. Keeps them hooked, wondering, wanting more. Practice this. Share a story but leave the ending vague. Let's just say it changed me. Watch their eyes linger. But here's the line. Too much silence and they'll lose interest. Balance is your strength. Feel that pull? That's the mind at work. Let's go deeper with the pulse of confidence. Imagine a voice steady as stone, a posture unshakable. Research from social psychology links self-assurance to magnetic appeal. People orbit those who seem certain. Picture this. In a crowded room, you stand tall, speak slow, let your words carry weight. "I know where I'm going," you say without arrogance. They feel safe, drawn to your certainty. That's the pulse of confidence. It's not loud, it's a quiet force. Try it. Next time you speak, slow your pace, hold your ground. Watch them gravitate. But beware, overconfidence cracks the illusion. Stay grounded. Pause now. Breathe. Feel the shift in the air. That's the weight of allure. Let's move to the third layer, the echo of value. Imagine someone who gives without expecting, yet leaves you owing. Anthropological studies, like those on reciprocal altruism, show we're addicted to those who offer worth. Picture this. You share an insight, a tip, a perspective, a moment of wisdom. "This worked for me," you say casually. They take it, feel enriched, and crave your next word. That's the echo of value. It binds them to you. Use it. Offer a small gift of knowledge today. Then step back. They'll seek you out. But here's the edge. Give too much and you cheapen the effect. Keep it rare. Now let's make this real. How do you become addictive? At social gatherings, use the aura of mystery, hint at depth, leave them curious. In one-on-one talks, lean on the pulse of confidence. Stand firm, speak with intent. In daily life, trigger the echo of value, share a nugget of wisdom, then withdraw. These aren't games. They're arts, shaping you into the man who draws others in without effort. Start now, hint at a story. Hold your stance. Offer a tip. Feel the pull grow. Still here? Good. Because the proof is in the pull. A 2005 study on social attraction found mysterious individuals retained attention 35% longer in groups. Confidence boosted perceived leadership by 28% in workplace trials. And the echo of value turned casual acquaintances into loyal followers in community experiments. These methods have shaped tribes, cities, even your own desires when you didn't notice. The question is, will you wield them or stay the man they forget? Let that sink in. Most men chase approval, exhausting themselves to be liked. But you're here listening, evolving. The aura of mystery, pulse of confidence, echo of value, these are your tools. Imagine walking into a room, every eye locked on you, every heart beating to your rhythm, all without a word of demand. That's not a dream. That's your destiny. Start small. Drop a mysterious line today. Stand taller tomorrow. Share a value, then step back. Each step rewires you. Each moment builds the man who becomes the addiction. Close your eyes again. See yourself as that figure, calm, enigmatic, irresistible. A presence that lingers long after you're gone. That's the Obsidian Mindset. That's the power you're claiming. This is only the beginning. Subscribe to Obsidian Mindset for weekly insights to sharpen your mental edge and master silent attraction. Hit that bell. Don't miss a single revelation. Want deeper secrets? Join our Telegram for the Black Files. Link in the description. Comment below. Which method, mystery, confidence, or value will you master first? Let's forge the dangerous version of you. Watch. Rewire. Rise.